Hey guys, it's Chris here at the Power Stop Garage, and today we're checking out our Z23 Evolution Sport brake kit. With Power Stop, you're getting an affordable, all-in-one kit of perfectly matched components. That means there is no more guesswork of trying to select the right pad and rotor combination for your vehicle. This is the most popular brake kit among the Power Stop lineup. It's specifically designed for daily drivers seeking to upgrade their vehicle's braking performance and is available for just about any vehicle out on the road. Now, if you drive a pickup truck or a large SUV and you tow at least once per year, then the Z23 Truck and Tow Kit was made specifically for you. Otherwise, let's take a closer look. The Z23 Evolution Sport brake pads in this kit are made using an exclusive carbon fiber ceramic formula. While carbon fiber has been used in racing and aerospace applications for many years, Power Stop is the first brake company to reinforce a ceramic compound using carbon fiber. This proprietary formulation withstands more heat and improves stopping power without the nasty brake dust. No more dirty wheels. If you're worried about brake noise, let me put your mind at ease. The chamfering and slots on our pads, along with the dual-layered rubberized shims, provide 6 times more noise insulation, resulting in virtually noise-free braking according to independent laboratory noise tests. These pads also include upgraded hardware if your vehicle requires it, like these stainless steel anti-rattle clips and rubber pin bushings. For a complete and proper brake job, you should always consider replacing your old hardware. Your brakes are an important safety feature of your vehicle, and using the highest quality parts is always a good idea. Each kit comes with a set of zinc-plated, cross-drilled, and slotted rotors. These rotors are cast using OEM metallurgy, are mill-balanced, and are machined to strict OE tolerances. That means they will bolt right on just like your original parts without the need to make any modifications. The drill hole and slot patterns are custom designed for each application. The drill holes provide maximum rotor cooling, while the slots wipe away gas and debris from where the pads make contact with the rotors to ensure smoother braking. With the exception of hub and rotor assemblies, all drilled and slotted rotors are zinc plated to not only look great behind your wheels, but also protect against rust and corrosion. After installation, be sure to follow the Power Stop break-in procedure. You want to establish an even layer of friction material on the rotor surface from the pads. This is going to ensure you get the maximum performance out of this package. The break-in instructions are included with every kit and are also available on our website, along with some other helpful tips. Power Stop is the highest reviewed brand of brakes online, but don't take my word for it. Check out the reviews, as well as all of the other products in the Power Stop family that best suit your driving lifestyle.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.